One of the first things that you want to do when you arrive at a customer site to work on a system is have the customer turn on the locator LED so that you can find the system and make sure that you're working on the same system that the customer thinks he's working on. Then you want to also verify the serial number. On the T5140 server, we can find the serial number on the left-hand side of the system. And we want to make sure that that serial number matches the serial number that we have, and we want to make sure that that serial number does have entitlement to get service. First thing we need to do before we start pulling anything or do anything like that is we need to make sure that we have proper ESD procedures, and we've grounded ourselves out. So I'll bring out my static mount here and make sure to connect it to the system. Put on my strap. All right. So we're going to replace the fan module on the T5XXX server. This procedure can be used for multiple servers, the T5120, the 5140, the 5240. It's all the same thing. The fan module is actually a hot swappable item. The customer does not need to bring the system down to do this. You just need to make sure that the customer knows you're doing it. They're ready for the maintenance window, and then you're ready to go. I'll go ahead and grab the system. I'll pinch these two clips on either end, pull the system out. We only really need it out far enough to get into the fan module access door. We can see here that it shows unlock with the two little arrows. We'll stick our fingers in here and we'll pull back on these little levers and we'll pull up. Sometimes it's a little harder than others, but it's not too bad. Now that this is open, we have our fans here, and while the system is on, you'll actually see the OK lights on here, and down here you can actually see this is where the amber light will be, telling you which fan module is actually bad. So you will find the fan module that's bad. The action plan should actually also tell you that it's at D0 FM1, and we will go ahead and just use our pointer and our thumb, and we'll just pull that fan up. We'll put it on our static mat. We'll grab our new fan, and we will take it and we'll put it back. Now once that's in there, it'll take a minute for you'll kind of hear the fan kick on, and it'll take a minute for the amber light to go away. Once it goes away and everything looks good, go ahead and shut the door. It should give you a little snap there. So we're ready to slide this back. You'll notice on the sides here there's these little green tabs. There's one on each side. We'll use our fingertips to pull those back and push the server forward, and it should slide right in. Once we're done with that, we'll go ahead and hook up all the cables that we had labeled previously. We'll make sure that we have our console so we can watch post. If we're not able to, the customer can watch it as it comes up. After the system comes up and is running, verify that there are no amber LEDs showing on the system. Communicate with the customer and have the customer check everything out and verify that his operating system is up and running and everything looks good.